Hey there, content creators. Are you ready to learn how to make money with AI-generated content? Let's dive into the step-by-step guide that can help you earn thousands of dollars a month by leveraging AI. First off, let's talk about the potential here. Faceless Instagram accounts focusing on nature reels are raking in big bucks. We're talking thousands of dollars per month, with some accounts gaining 400,000 subscribers in just a few months. Imagine earning at least $5,000 per video. Sounds incredible, right? So, how do we get there? Let's break it down. Step 1. Content creation. Start with AI image generation. Use tools like Leonardo.ai, which has a free tier available. Input your desired prompts and adjust the aspect ratio. You can even use presets like anime for a specific style. Once you have your images, it's time to animate them. Leonardo.ai has a built-in animation feature, or you can use other tools like Immersity if you prefer. Experiment with animation styles and settings to get the perfect look. Step 2. Video length extension. For longer videos, duplicate short clips and add transitions using editing software like CapCut. Increase the speed if needed to keep things dynamic. Don't forget to add trending music from the YouTube audio library to keep your viewers engaged. Now let's talk monetization strategies. First, offer your unique AI-generated art as freelance services via direct messages. You can also sell high-resolution versions as wallpapers. One account sold 1,700 wallpapers at $3 each, making a cool $5,100. Next, consider creating and selling online courses. Teach others how to create and monetize AI-generated art. Price your course at around $100, and you could potentially earn $1,000 a month with just 10 sales, even after a 50% platform fee. But wait, there's more. Join the provided Discord server for prompts and community support. Experiment with different prompts and settings in Leonardo.ai to achieve unique results. Pay attention to audience comments and feedback to understand demand and tailor your offerings. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making money with AI content. Start creating, animating, and monetizing today. Who knows, your faceless Instagram account could be the next big hit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making money with AI. Catch you in the next video.